So you're going to be joining a meeting remotely and you've got a presentation which you want to run that's installed on the system in the meeting room. An internet clicker enables you to control the presentation remotely. Now in the email which we sent you, there will be a login code. And once you go to this screen, which is internetclicker.com, you'll see that at the top it says joining as a participant, and you put in there the login code which has been sent to you. Now if that's not visible, go to the left hand side of the screen here and you'll see it says Internet Clicker. Click on that and you'll get another login page and you'll be able to put the login code in there. Now click on the arrow here next to joining as participant and it'll take you through to this screen and you'll see it's come up and says connected to client. So you're now connected. If you go to the small cog on the right hand side here and click on show screenshot and show speaker notes, and if you're running this on an iPad or a phone or a tablet and you want to keep it awake, you might also want to click on the keep the screen awake. Once you've done that, click back on the cog and it closes, and lo and behold, there's your presentation. Now you can control this now backwards and forwards by clicking on the red and green arrows. You're seeing in the main screen here the picture which is actually being displayed in the meeting room, and you can see what the next slide is that's coming up. Okay, so if you click on the green one, it'll take you through the presentation, and if I click on the red one, it takes it back. And that's all there is to it. Once you've finished your session and you want to disconnect, just close your web browser or close that tab on your web browser and you'll be disconnected from the system. There we are.